In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all photos in OneDrive. To get started, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access your files and folders from the main dashboard. This method works best in the web version of OneDrive, where selection tools are clearly visible and easy to use. After signing in, look to the left-hand navigation pane and click My Files. From there, open your Pictures folder or whichever folder you use to store your photos. This is important because OneDrive only selects the items that are currently visible in the folder or gallery you're viewing, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct location before selecting everything. Once your photos are on screen, move your cursor over any photo and click the checkbox that appears. Selecting a single image first often activates additional selection options at the top of the page. After that, look near the top of the screen for the Select All option. If you see it, click it, and OneDrive will select all photos in that folder or view. If that option doesn't appear, there's another quick way to do the same thing. Click anywhere in the photo list or gallery so the page is active. Then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. This tells OneDrive to select everything currently shown in that folder, including all your photos. This shortcut can be especially helpful if you're working with a large photo library or if the top menu doesn't immediately show the selection controls. Just keep in mind that it selects all visible items in the current view, so if your folder contains other file types along with photos, those may be selected as well. If you want the cleanest selection experience, it's a good idea to organize your images into a dedicated folder before using Select All. That way you can be more confident that only the photos you want are included. And that's it. Once all your photos are selected, you can move on to whatever you need to do next, whether that's downloading them, moving them, copying them, or organizing them further inside OneDrive.